Hey folks, it's Mr. Max again. So that transit cargo van is finished. There is a part that the dealer sent me that was wrong, so but let me show you what's going on here. Okay, this is the front. Everything is done. So this is the quarter panel I did. Okay. Okay, that's there. So this is the quarter I did. Tail light is in, everything is up. There is a part that's missing, air cover. They sent me the wrong cover, so I have to wait for tomorrow morning to go get it. And once that's there, then it's done. The back door that I put in, a new back door. Alright. So that's it. Let me open the So this was the area that was fixed inside. Yeah, so it looks pretty decent. Okay, and that's it for this one. This is the other side. This side was okay. There was, well, a little door on that side door, so I took care of that. And yeah, so that's it. So I gotta look for some for the other one. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's it again for this one. So we'll see what the next one will be. Actually, the next one that I'm gonna be messing with is here. A Ram 2500 cargo van. I started working on it. I need to pull the top across. The upper radiator support has to go across, so it could line up with the pins of the radiator. So this needs to come across about a quarter inch, almost an inch. And so I could put the headlight on, make sure everything lines up with the hood, and I could complete this car. Okay folks, so that's it again. So if you like what you see, subscribe, press the like button, share, and see you guys on the next one. Okay, bye.